Hi, welcome back to Daydreams of Quilts. I'm Anita, and today I want to talk about the Etsy Holiday Trends Report that came out at the beginning of August. And I've just had time to take a look at it because I've been on summer vacation. But before we even dig into this, I just want to make a couple of points. One of them is, if you already have a plan for your Christmas holiday line in your shop, don't drop your whole plan and start over from scratch just because the Etsy Holiday Trend Report came out. Keep with your plan, but maybe just add in a few new ideas that you might get from reading the trend report. The thing with the Etsy trend reports is they can sort of be like a self-fulfilling prophecy. Like they say something's going to be a trend, so then lots of people jump on that and they make things, and so it becomes a trend. But it doesn't necessarily mean that that is going to fit in with your shop or with what you make. So keep that in mind when you're going through this. Also, there are other places you can search to find information on what's trending. A good place to go is Target.com. Put in your product that you make in the search bar, and whatever's coming up first on that search is trending or is the best sellers on Target. So you can also put in holiday 2021 in the search bar, holiday or Christmas gifts or whatever in the search bar on Target.com, and you can get a really good idea of what people are buying by what comes up first in the search, because they always put their best sellers at the front. Another idea is to go to Pantone.com and check what they're forecasting for color trends, and you can also check out some of the big paint companies and see what they're forecasting for color trends. So there's lots of ways to gather information. Don't just put all your eggs in one basket with Etsy. However, their trend report does have a lot of great ideas and a lot of good information, so definitely check it out. To find the trend report, you can go to the seller handbook on Etsy and search Holiday Trends 2021, and you'll find the trend report, but you'll also find the podcast transcript for how to use the 2021 holiday trends in your shop. And you can find that podcast on all the podcast apps or wherever you listen to your podcasts. The Etsy Success Podcast, I use Apple Podcasts, so you can find it there. But they've very kindly written out a transcript of the interview with their trend expert, Dana. And so they've got this written out for us, which is sometimes helpful for you to be able to make notes from it. So one of the things that Dana is predicting is maximalist holiday colors. So she's saying that there will be traditional colorways, but that we'll also see white and silver sparkles, and then teal and warm golds. So that's nice. That fits in with a couple of tree skirts that I've made. So hopefully they get picked up this year. They're talking about cottagecore again, and I mentioned that in my fall trends report video, but it's come up again in the holiday trends report. And Dana says cottagecore is a trend that started coming around late last year, maybe even a little bit before then, and it's about stripping yourself of technology and really bringing it back to the basics and celebrating nature and simplicity in almost every aspect of your life, whether that's within cooking or within decor. And she says within that overarching theme, woodland is trending and mushrooms are a really big hit. And so if you could put the term cottagecore decor or woodland decor into your listings, that might help them get found in search. Then they have the items that trend every year on Etsy, such as stockings, personalized stockings, Christmas ornaments, and Christmas ornaments can also easily be personalized, and you can also fit them in with the cottagecore trend. Talking about how a lot of people bought houses last year, so there's a need for entertaining items for hosting as well as for housewarming gifts for the people attending the new homeowner's house. They mentioned drink charms, wine charms, because people are still wanting to make sure they're staying safe, because we're still not fully out of the pandemic, and so they don't want their glass getting mixed up with someone else's glass. So you could put a wine charm on it to know which glass is yours. So they're predicting those might sell well this year. Mentioned in the trend report that carnelian jewelry is still trending really high. Apparently this is a trend that started on TikTok and is still going strong. Carnelian is one of the top search terms on Etsy according to eRank. So if you are a jewelry maker, you might want to look at adding carnelian stones into the items that you make. Personalization, anything that you can personalize, especially around the holidays, is going to have a better chance of selling. So think about some of your year-round items and how you could personalize them for gifts around the holidays. They're predicting that there will be a lot of engagements over the holidays. So if you're a vintage seller, consider carrying vintage engagement rings in your shop. Charcuterie boards are still trending high, and especially ones that can be personalized with names. So if you're a woodworker, you might want to look into that. Dana's predicting that a lot of people are going to be in a very festive mood, wanting to celebrate, finally able to get together with their friends and family. So do go and check out the transcript of the podcast, or go listen to the podcast while you're making things. Going back to the seller handbook, it looks like this, Marketplace Insights 2021 Holiday Trends. So this is a very lengthy trend report, so you kind of need to go to the areas that you're specializing in your shop and see if you can find any new ideas. They talk about, again, how to use this report. Use it for getting ideas for your products, expanding your potential customer base with products that appeal to a wider range of shoppers, like male buyers or customers in other countries. Merchandising your shop for holiday shoppers by featuring festive seasonal visuals in your shop graphics, example your shop banner and listing photographs. So think about how you could make your listing more holiday friendly. Maybe you might want to put a few holiday items in the background of your listing photos or in your shop banner. You can add some, possibly a flat lay photo of your products with some festive items around the edge. They say to include seasonally relevant top search terms in your tags, titles, and item descriptions. So this might be a time to take a look through and see what items you have would be good stocking stuffers. You might want to add that into your tags. Add in price point tags such as gift under 20, gift under 50, gift under 100, gift for mom, gift for her. Those kind of items, those kind of tags can help you get found at the holidays. Time your inventory to take advantage of upticks in relevant searches and in advance of key occasions. So they've got also a list of important dates that are coming up. October 11th is Thanksgiving in Canada. October 31st is Halloween. November 4th is Diwali. November 5th is Bonfire Night in the UK. November 11th is Singles Day in the UK. And it looks like November 25th is Thanksgiving in the US, and immediately after that, as we all know, is November 26th, Black Friday. And then Hanukkah is November 28th to December 6th. November 28th to December 24th is Advent. So consider getting your Advent calendars, if you're doing those, into your shop well in advance of November. November 29th, Cyber Monday / Cyber Week begins. And December 6th, St. Nicholas Day. December 11th, Christmas Jumper Day in the UK. December 21st is the winter solstice. And Christmas Eve, December 24th, and Christmas Day, December 25th. And December 26th to January 1st is Kwanzaa. And December 26th is Boxing Day in the UK, Canada, and Australia. And then New Year's Eve is December 31st. So those are all the important dates that are coming up in the next few months. People are continuing to shop according to their values, whether that means considering sustainability, supporting small businesses, or shopping local. So shoppers are wanting to also consider the environment in their purchases. Everybody is very aware of the climate change that's been happening and has been very prevalent this year. So they're wanting to make environmentally conscious choices as well. So yes, you can take a look through. Their past holiday season bestsellers include puzzles, especially kids' name puzzles, custom and personalized portraits, and especially for those people that bought a new house, they might want to have their house painted in a watercolor or painting, and then have the people that are living in the house standing out front. Personalized name signs, wall art such as pin maps or those little scratch away maps for people that have been traveling, macrame hangings or signs with sayings, festive decor, Christmas ornaments and stockings, modern menorahs, wreaths and door decor, welcome mats and lawn decorations. Personalized name necklaces were bestsellers in the past. Small leather accessories, and apparently there is an uptick for passport wallets now, so you can consider adding those back in if you make those. Cozy knits, leisure wear, charcuterie boards and personalized cutting boards, mugs and glassware, candles, gift boxes and sets. And this is something I forget about all the time, but I'm really going to be conscious to try and remember this year to get some sets in my shop, because people love to buy gift sets or a little boxed up gift of related items at the holidays. So that could help increase your sales if you add some sets into your shop. Greeting cards, Christmas Eve boxes, which is a UK tradition, and stocking stuffers and advent calendars and natural wreaths. So those are your sure bets, and then you can check through each of the categories in the report to find things that are specific to your niche. So I hope this helps you and you have lots of luck on Etsy this year in the holiday rush. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos from Daydreams of Quilts. Happy crafting!